Hello, we are making amazing chicken wings. There's nothing here right now. So what you have to do, it's very simple steps. Hi, my name is Farouk James and today I'm going to be cooking with you spicy chicken, or you can do normal chicken if you want to. So what you need is tweezers, 2 bowls, not including the bowl for the chicken, chilies and onion, and special fried chicken mix. So first, I've already done this for a bit, but you need to wash the chicken in lemon and wash it very thoroughly so you don't get salmonella and stuff. Second, I've done this as well. You have to whisk all of your juicy egg yolk together and make this. I don't know exactly what it's called, but egg yolk sauce, I have to call it. Third, now it's time for your 2 pans. Put some special fried chicken mix in. Put some special fried chicken mix in one pan, like this. The lid is on. Make sure to use almost all of the tub, maybe even all of it. Put all of your spices in another pot. Tajin. A bit of hot sauce. I like mine quite spicy. If you don't like yours spicy, don't put as much as I am doing. That's enough. Pepper, mixed herbs from tropical sun. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Some onion salt. Some Himalayan salt. Onion salt. Some paprika. And I love these. This is my favorite vegetable, if it counts as vegetable, but chili flakes. I love putting a load of these in here. And some oil. And mix it all together. Don't forget to stay hydrated. This is very thirsty work. And those vegetables I mentioned earlier, put them in now. if you're doing it like me, make sure never to touch your face after.
Why not?
So, because your eyes may hurt from the chilies and the garlic. I love my chicken. It's really good to learn to cook when you're young, so you don't have to rely on anyone else when you're older. Like I'm learning now, so I don't have to get unhealthy takeout. This is healthy and tasty. It's a double combo. You massage it with love. Massage it. You see there's fat there. There's like a ligament, I forgot what it's called. What the heck? Now I'm gonna check my chicken. Because we saw that mysterious piece. When you're doing this massaging, it's really good because you get to know your chicken and like you get to see if there's any dodgy bits in it and you can take it out and to make it healthy. Well, it's dead, but still. To make the taste healthy and it's safe for you. What I recommend to do to save space is put the fat bit on one side and the bone on the other side. And then like, so, see there? The bone is there, the fat bit's there. Like bone, fat and bone. Well, this one's really not much, that one's fat and that's bone. Fat for us, it's just really tasty for us. But it was like the pig's fat. No, not pig's fat, chicken's fat. Pig's fat is much more unhealthy. Chicken is the best healthy thing, in my opinion, my personal opinion. And that's the spices done. Now we have cleaned up a tiny bit. We have got rid of all the contaminated bowls. So the next step is we have the chicken, your eggs, and the special breadcrumb. So first, roll it into the egg. Make sure it's completely covered in egg. Then make sure all of the flour is covered by flour. See these little bits there? There, then like. See that bit there? Even if we have to lift the flour up. If it's too much flour, it's like clumped up, like just rub it a tiny bit. It's my first time ever making this and I've wanted to make it for a while. I made up my own recipe and this is my taste is gonna be like genuine reaction. It's gonna be like completely genuine. Always turn your gloves inside out so you have to keep the salmonella away. See? Hands clean. I'm clean, and just in case, wash your hands. I'm going to shallow fry it. It's the second least healthiest one, but I recommend doing air fryer. So you've got to pick it up with our tweezers. If you're gluten free, you can't eat it. So sorry for making you watch this whole video before you can tell me. Now we have to put this into the mix just to make sure it doesn't splash back. It's the extra protection. You see the smoke's coming out. 15 minutes before it's going to be cooked. So well, before to turn it. So I'm not turn it. Either way, 15 minutes before it's cooked. After 15, 7.5 minutes. I'm gonna have a cheeky look before it's half time. Oh yeah, it's ready to turn. How long left? 3 minutes. According to the timer, there's 1 minute and 16 seconds left. So it's almost done. Come, take a quick sneak peek.
Chicken check. Number 4.
Looking sexy.
Cheeky chicken.
And do the last turn. Then we're going to take it out. I forgot to say at the beginning, make sure the chicken is not stuck together. At the beginning, make sure the chicken is not stuck together because it can get stuck and the coating can come off. And at the end, be very careful because the coating can completely come off and not be stuck to our one. So it's done. Now you cook it very gently without dripping. I'm just going to leave it hanging for a second. I'm going to stop dripping. I'm going to put it in the bowl. Yes, that's good. You don't want to bite it into it and oil starts dripping on your face. That's why I'm putting it in this, so this sucks all the oil up. And that's how you make amazing chicken in an hour. So the oil is very dangerous, you could get burnt. So make sure you turn everything off. And then put it on a ring that hasn't been used. So we've used these 2 rings. So I can move it to that one or that one. It's safe, most safe, to face it away, everything away from you. So it's safe because you can't hit it if it's away from you unless you hit it on purpose, and it'll be hard for the water to get over you when it splashes.
True, you can't hit the handle, but there's one more thing. You have put the handle above the ring that's still hot.
No, I put it next to the wall. It isn't actually touching. Say if it would fall, it wouldn't actually touch next to it.
True, but just it's better to actually put it on the other side, yeah? Because you don't want that plastic to start melting the plastic handle, but just an extra thing.
Now, when it's hot, leave it to settle for around 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, it smells luscious. So here it is. Some people might like have it with macaroni and cheese or french fries, but I like having it with corn. My second favorite vegetable. It looks good and smells good, but now for how it tastes. Big lumpy one. That's so good, that's amazing.
So how's it taste? I know you're enjoying yourself, okay? I don't want to get you to talk because you're enjoying it. So now, when you've finished, tell us, how does it taste?
So on the Farouk tastiness meter, I've got something in my teeth. It's an 8.5.
8.5. Oh,
It
okay.
wasn't crunchy enough. It wasn't crunchy enough. That little crunch would have given it that amazing taste. And it's very, and it's also the chicken. The best part about it is when you bite it in, it's like immediately you can see it's really crunchy on some bits, but then when you get into it, it's soft and tender. It's amazing.
It looks like the chicken's just falling off the bone. Okay, let me try then. Can I try a piece? Okay, let's do this. That really is good. The taste is amazing. It tastes better than Morley's, better than Sam's, better than KFC. I think it's good. I'm happy with the crunchiness. I'm happy with it. It's crunchy enough for me. But maybe if you wanted it to be crunchier, maybe you should change the temperature of the oil, maybe. But you don't want it to burn and then the inside be undercooked and the outside be overcooked. Well, you're getting through it pretty quickly. I better stop filming now.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's going to all be gone.
So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I recommend you make this for yourself. Just remember, if you're vegan, vegetarian, or gluten-free, you can't eat this. So yeah, bye.
As you can see, Farouk is enjoying his chicken wings that he just made himself, didn't you, Farouk? Very, very tasty. The chicken is cooked very well. The meat is white. And he wanted to do this himself. He's really got into cooking recently, haven't you? He's too busy now to talk.
I may do my amazing steak next.
Should we post this on your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your YouTube channel?
Farouk James or Kimberly, I don't really remember. Hi guys, I am going to be making spicy chicken wings today. Hey, I can see there. That was amazing. That was just amazing. That filled me up so much.